Hello, my name is Jake, and for my project, I have chosen to talk about trash and the harmful ways it affects animals and the environment. The first bit of evidence comes from oceans, which get about 12 million metric tons of plastic and other trash per year. This is very harmful to the ocean, and especially the fish and other animals that live in those oceans. A fish or another ocean animal could get tangled up or consume food wrappers and other dangerous pieces of trash. And locally, the Santa Barbara oceans get about 4.8 million metric tons of trash per year. Trash in the oceans harms about 100,000 ocean creatures per year, and the beaches those oceans are near are as dirty as the oceans themselves, with 12 million pounds of trash landing on beaches each year. If we do not change our ways soon, even more of these animals could be harmed. But it's not just the oceans that trash affects, it also affects the air we breathe. Burning garbage is the main way we finally get rid of trash in America. We have been burning trash since the 1800s, and every year, landfills are filled up with about 139.6 million tons of trash, with 30.63 million of it being food, 26.82 million of it being plastic, and 18.35 million of it being paper or cardboard. But burning trash is as harmful to the environment as throwing trash in the ocean, if not worse. When trash is burned, it releases smoke and toxic chemicals into the atmosphere. This is because when trash is burned, it's usually things like plastic, rubber, paper, and other pieces of trash. These things are made up of toxic materials and chemicals that, when burned, affect the air and even the weather. When trash is burned, it releases chemical gas emissions, such as sulfur and nitrogen. And when those two things mix with water in the sky, it could make acid rain, which is very harmful for the environment and humans. Fortunately, Santa Barbara does not burn that much trash unlike other places, but unfortunately, it makes up for that with the 200,000 tons of trash dumped per year. But the trash problems don't stop there. Even littering can affect the environment. If you litter, there's a chance that it could be blown away into a river, polluting the water and making it not drinkable. 80% of plastic waste gets into over 1,000 rivers each year. But it's not just rivers that littering affects. Animals get affected as well if there is litter. An animal could eat it and get very sick, and 1 million animals die per year from eating toxic food containers and other toxic pieces of trash. And the most dangerous kinds of trash are plastic bags, plastic utensils, and lost fishing gear. Santa Barbara gets about 9 pounds of trash per day. That's about 3,285 pounds of trash per year, just from littering. Some things you can do to help are donate clothes, use reusable bags, and recycle. There are also many organizations that have volunteer opportunities to help pick up trash and help clean beaches.